guys, it's Cassie and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you my November kits that I purchased from Planner Kate. And the first one that I'm going to be throwing in my cart is the Kit 180, which is It's Fall Y'all November monthly kit. And I'm getting sheets F and sheet G, which is the EC 7x9 monthly. I really liked this monthly kit. It was super simple, and I just really appreciated that. So the next kit that I'm going to be looking at is kit, and I couldn't find what I was looking for, but I think I found it. This is kit 186 and is called Thanksgiving Floral. And I really liked the full boxes of this mini kit. And of course, it's got burgundy, so that was really nice too. I do show, and I love the white box with the burgundy flowers. That's probably my favorite. The next kit that I'm going to be looking for is kit 182, which is called Blessed. And I liked this kit. I loved how the grays thrown in there as well, and the full box with the hunter boots. Like, that's just adorable to me. So I of course got sheet A, which is the full box half box sheet, and sheet D, which is the sampler sheet. So then next I was looking for mini kit 176. Yes, 176. And this is called October Color. And I'm just showing you all of the sheets that are available. And I really liked this kit because it's got pretty plain full boxes, and so I can use some of my quote stickers that I have from the Happy Planner, and I just really liked the colors. And honestly, this kit reminded me of Gryffindor colors with the gold and the burgundy. The next kit that I was looking at was mini kit 177, which is called Apple Cider, and I really like the hourly personal, like the sampler sheet, and I love that full box with the bushel and the apples. And then I looked at the actual full boxes, and I'm not a big fan. I really wish that they would have just, or Kate would have just stayed with like the apple theme throughout, rather than trying to throw in the coffee cups and the foxes. And so, and you can tell like I kind of stayed there and like looked at the full boxes a little longer than I normally did with the other kits. And so here now I'm in my cart because I was going to check out, and I used Julie D20 for 20% off my order. And so I'm going back through making sure I've got everything, and I'm like, I don't know if I like the mini kit. So I went back through and I looked at all of the mini kits that are currently out, and I didn't find anything that I truly loved. And I did end up looking at a few other kits. So the first one that I looked at was mini kit 54, which is called Fall Plaid, mini kit 59, which is called Fall Plaid. And I really liked the colors in this kit. It's very bright and cheery, and the blue will be perfect for November in the Erin Condren. But it has the headers. I hate the headers. Just hate it. And then I looked at this mini kit 65, and it also has headers. And then I also looked at this mini kit 51, which is fall stripes, and I love the colors in this kit as well. Like I almost debated getting this kit. Like truly debated getting this kit because I just love the purple and the like minty green. It's just beautiful. But it has headers, and I hate headers. And I feel so guilty for not using the headers. I don't know. I mean, it's stickers, but yeah. And then the next kit that I looked at was kit 70, which is, I don't even know what it's called. I missed that part, but it also has headers. And I'm pretty sure that I used the same kit last year in November with that clip art. So I really wasn't upset with not buying it this year. And so I'm just going through seeing if there's anything else that I can, get. And I did look at the Woodland mini kit here, mini kit 49. And I didn't really like the foxes. Even though I'm pretty sure I used this kit last year. I just wasn't feeling it this year. So I decided to go and look through all of the mini kits, and I did not find anything that I liked in the mini kit section. I don't know. I mean, a lot of them are for like spring and summer, and they have really bright colors, and it would look really weird with the fall. So I decided to go look at the 2018 kits just on a whim, and I found kit 91, which is called Pumpkin Picking, and I'm in love. I know I bought this kit last year, but I still, I didn't even look through the whole kit before I was like, yes, I need to have this. But I just love the orange and I think it's navy or a dark charcoaly color. I love it. And I'm so excited to use this in my planner in November. So yes, I chose sheet A, which is the full box, half box sheet, and then I chose sheet D, which is the hourly personal sampler sheet. She does have the easy vertical sheet in this as well, but again, it has headers. So, and now I am going back through and taking out the apple cider mini kit from my cart. And then I was like, oh yeah, I have to go back and get pencils. Oh, and then I was just checking to make sure if there's anything else. Because I wasn't entirely sold on the other mini kit, the plaid one. But I didn't see any other kits that I was like, yes, I need to have this versus the plaid one. So I decided to stick with the plaid one. And then I searched for pencils, right? Or no, I went back to my cart and then I looked for the pencils. Because I keep forgetting, and I kept forgetting to purchase a sheet of pencils because I use the pencils to mark my son's daycare schedule, like when that's due. And so I have a pencil on my weekly and my monthly view. And I was using the freebies that I kept getting with my orders. And I finally have now used up my freebies, which I'm super proud of. So I went into the PK Doodles section just to see if there was anything that I hadn't purchased that I really wanted, and I didn't see anything. I'm hoping that there will be more PK Doodles out soon. And then I went into script stickers. I thought about getting, and I think I do end up searching for this, but I thought about getting pickup stickers because my husband and I share. I usually drop off in the morning our son to daycare, and my husband usually picks up. But I have, with some more frequency, have been picking up. It's just how it works with our schedule. Like, my husband will come home and start dinner, and I'll go pick up our son and then come home. And so my husband will have like 20 minutes to himself. And he's able to start dinner with like no distractions or anything. So it's really nice. But it also means like I really have to remember to put that in my planner. Like, hey, I have to go pick up our son. So I was looking for like pickup stickers. And so here I'm just searching the script stickers to see if there's anything that I needed. I do this every once in a while where I'll just kind of like go through and just see what's available. I did make myself some notes before of like what I was kind of missing, but my collection is so fleshed out now at this point that I don't need any more stickers, but every once in a while I'll just like treat myself to like a random sheet or whatever. And so yeah, thanks so much for watching, guys, and have a good night.